Okay, now that can give us a better idea. Here is the leak behind the dam. This is the intake towers, which means the water goes from inside those big stuff to here and to there. The water goes inside, and it comes here, and it passes through this. These are the inlet to the turbines, and that was the old spillway, which means if the water increases and you do not want it to go here, you can let it spill from here to the side and it come out, the spillway. Those are the powerhouse where the generators are. Those are, if you look at here, this is the powerhouse like this. And those are the tubes that take the water to the powerhouse, where the turbines are at the bottom. This is 30 feet. Very stuck. This is the Nevada valve house. What is a valve house? No, Nevada spillway. This is a spillway outlet. This is the stony gate. If in case of the water comes from here, it goes here. This is the spill gate. This if you open this, the water will come out. Just come loose. And this is a valve, which means you open it, you can let the water go. And here is a valve, another valve house like this one and this one. But this is Arizona and this is Nevada. Because it is a spread. This side Arizona, this side is Nevada. This is Arizona, this is Nevada. This is, as you can tell, this is the intake. Now I have a better idea than before.